Hello, this is Paul Santisi, and this meditation is short and achieves a tremendous energetic and balancing impact on your entire mind, body, and spirit. We are going to balance your body's energy using the 7 chakra points. So in just a moment, we'll be clearing out and rebalancing all 7 chakra points. We will be cleansing the 7 chakra points from the bottom up, starting with the root chakra and moving all the way up to your crown chakra. These are the 7 points. Number 1, the Kundalini or root chakra. That is the color of red, and this is associated with being grounded with the earth as an element. Number 2, the spleen or the sacral plexus. This is the color of orange, and this is associated with sexuality, creativity, emotions, all connecting to the element of water. The 3rd chakra, solar plexus. This is the color yellow, associated with the sun, connecting to the element of fire. Number 4, heart, color green. This is associated with love, connecting with the element of air. Number 5 is the throat chakra, color of blue, associated with communication, connecting with the element of sound. Number 6, the 3rd eye or pineal gland. This is represented by the color of purple. This is associated with intuition, inner guidance, unlimited wisdom, connecting to the element of light. Then we have number 7, the crown chakra. That is located at the top of the head. This is the color of pure white, and it's associated with spiritual or divine consciousness, connecting to the element of information. Each chakra point will be cleared for 60 seconds, and between each point, I will instruct you to take a slow, deep breath. Also, I'm going to shake things up a bit and have some light sounds off in the distance, and I will also have some subliminal affirmations that pertain to the chakra point that we're working on off in the distance. I know some of you are saying, never heard of this before. Yes, I know, and that's what makes this different. That is the point. So very, very good observation. This is something that is not done by anyone, these techniques. However, I have found this to work amazingly well. You will feel what I'm talking about. And I also recommend listening with headphones on if possible, and remove yourself from all distractions for the next 7 to 10 minutes. So you will be one with yourself and receive the full benefit from this experience. Okay, let's begin. Close your eyes now. Close your eyes. And I want you to take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale out your mouth. Great. Let's do that again. Breathe in through your nose. This time hold it for a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale. Just continue to breathe in a slow circular motion. In through your nose and out through your mouth, and relax. Continue to breathe in a slow, deep circular motion. Continue to breathe in a slow, deep circular motion. Continue to breathe in a slow, deep circular motion. Continue to breathe in a slow, deep circular motion. I love having a strong, vibrant, powerful, hot, Continue to breathe in a slow, deep circular motion. Continue to breathe in a slow, deep circular motion. I see bright white light. I see from my third eye clearly. I see all the light through my third eye. I Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open, open, open your eyes.